guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, it's amazing. We're back. We're back on Angry Birds Friends. We're back on the game, y'all. So, last time we did 1 and 2 and 3, and I didn't have a lot of time to finish because these 3 and 2 and 1 were very long. So, what to do? The third one, I messed up on the third one and I had to go. So, here we go. Let me get that. Oh God, what am I doing? Oops, I know what I did. So, we can make boom. Yes! So, it's like that. It's like Angry Birds Friends. It's actually Angry Birds. Oh my God, what happened to his face? Okay. Boom! Boom! I want this like to tear down. Actually, I'll do something. Escort. Oh, yes! Yes, I'm doing it. Oh, yeah! Look at that! Oh, yeah. Score. Look at my score right now. Sorry. That's my score. Yes. Yes. So you press end level, and then the level ends. Yeah. Here we go, y'all. So, let's go to the bait, and then we can unlock. Yes, I unlocked. So I unlocked the 4th and 5th and 6th one. So let's do the 4th one, y'all. Ooh, chick. Oh, I unlocked the chick. Oh God, look at all those chicks. Let me show you. Right there. Sorry, my camera is not very big. I'm recording this on my iPad. So. Oh God, that was a mess. Oh, good thing on it. Bird. Here we go. Boom! 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 Whoa. Oh God. Holy cow! Look at that. End level. Dang, that was 1,000. Oh, that was cool. I love that. So let's go to the studio. And now we can do the 5th one. Let's do the TNT. What is this? Oh. Okay. Okay, it's gonna land. Oh, yeah! Look at that! Oh. When you watch it. Oh my God, TNT. Dang, I like those emotions. So let's use this. Sorry you can't really see the guy, but you can really see it. Oh! No. Wait for it. Yeah! Yes, that was an ending. And you have to press end level. 1,000. Yeah. That was the coolest. 1 star, 1 star. Oh, look at that. Okay, so let's go back to the home base. And we just need to do the 6th one and we can unlock the other one. So, I don't know if the thing never ends. Oh, that was weird. I need one of these helpers. What is this? Power plant. Whoa, what is going to be this? Oh, I didn't watch the video. Oh, look at that. TNT, yes! Oh, yeah! Look at that. End level. Well, we don't want to end the level yet because we haven't did all of it. We just need to get all of it. Let me do that again. We just need to do all of it. Oh God, oh God! Yeah! Yes, now we can end the levels. Yes, we did it! I just wanted to get all the stars. Because when you get all the stars, Bill, you get a lot. Okay, so. Oh, yes, I unlocked the 18th. Oh, I unlocked it bomb. Yes. So, oh, God. It's a lot. There's a lot to go. So, let's do 7. Let's do the 7th. So, I unlocked it bomb. He can actually blow up. If you don't know. Oh, God, I'm going to use. Oh! Bombs for all of it. Oh, God, that was a mess up. I was so messed up. Oh, my. Yes! Yeah! We did it, y'all. We did it! Look at that score. Look at it. Yeah! We got it. The most helpful thing. Look at how much stars we got. Yeah! Here we go. Let's go back to the studio. And then when we can unlock that girl. I don't know what the mom does, but okay. Oh, there's some bombs and some chicks. I think the chicks go fast. I look on it. Oh, I might have done something. Oh, I need some bombs. Oh, God. Okay. My God, what did I do? Oh, look at that. Pretty image, look at that. Okay. But there's still a lot to go. So, oh, I bombed it. Chang. Wait, we're about to see what happens. Oh! Oh my God, this is so cool. What was that? The U thing. What is that? Let's see, this is. Whoa! That's a lot. Damn it. Oh, I don't know what I unlocked. I think I unlocked another base level thing. Another power. Wait, what? I don't know what happened, but I unlocked all of them. So I got 1 star with that. Okay, let's get to 9th one, y'all. Oh, whoa. So when you press the button down, I think that was a perfect damage. Do it! My God, this is not going to be helpful. Oh! She turns in like all of them. Look at that. Oh, he goes fast. Yeah, I told you he goes fast. So, that was cool. I like that girl. She like splits into like 4 of them. Did you actually see that? Yes. I wonder if these coins we can buy stuff. Let's see. Oh wait, we can spin. Oh, what do we get? We got 100 coins. Come back tomorrow for more spin. Here's a shop. Is this like? Oh, it's money. Okay, I want like the shop that carries some money. Oh, that just splits out. I guess if there was like none in the shop. Or I just unlock that? Well, how did I do that? I don't know. Whoa! Let's see the girl. What we got? Okay. Oh God, what is this? I was confused. Oh God, don't knock down that tree. Tree does. Oh! Look at that! That is cool. And then it left the black where it was. If that stirred or something. I don't know. Oh! 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 No, I need more. We're not ending a level. The next one's bomb. Oh! Oh, that was not a lot. Let's get closer that time. Oh! That's very strong. Here we go. It's in the level. We got all the stars. Yes. Yes. Yes, we did. So we will. So in the next one we can unlock this guy. I don't know what that guy is. I haven't watched Angry. If you haven't seen Angry Birds 2 came out, yeah. I mean, I tapped it. I'm like, I tapped it. Ammo. Oh yeah, that girl, the egg girl. I don't know what this is. What's she do? Oh, she flips. Oh, sick. Oh, sick. Oh yeah, we need to see that again. Oh, ooh. That was cool, guys. Oh God. Oh, I double jumped. Oh, look at that. I need to do that again. Oh God, what did I do? Oh God. I don't know what I did. I know I worked myself in. No, the guy. Okay, that was a lot. That was, oh God. Oh, yeah. Let me just do the 12th one. Okay, one more. And then we're gonna end this video. Oh God. Oh God. Okay. Let's do this. Why the guy? Flip. Look at that. Okay. Oh, oops. Okay. Why? Other guy. Oh! Yeah, I can't even end the score in level. Yes! That was cool. But guys, I'm going to have to end the video here, guys. Goodbye.